Is that the alcohol?
Yeah, she said that it's made with the Curacao.
What's up, guys? Good morning. Today we are docked in the beautiful island of Curacao. I'll take you this way and I can show you a little bit. Way down there. That's the island. And then behind us, right there, is the Independence of the Seas, or the Liberty of the Seas, or something. Something of the Seas is behind us. So we'll definitely have to figure out which ship that is. But we're here docked this morning. It is 8:23 right now. So nice, bright and early here this morning. Not noontime like we're usually starting out for you guys. We're up bright and early because we do have a shore excursion booked. It is not through Carnival, so we actually have to head off the ship and go over to a meeting point, and we're gonna meet there, and they're gonna take us all around the island. We're gonna go see flamingos, hopefully, and we're gonna go see caves and rock bridges, and we're gonna have some beach time. Just a whole bunch of excursions packed into one. It's gonna be a ton of fun. Can't wait to share it with you. If you don't know who I am, my name is Josh. I'm your host for this amazing adventure. So sit back, strap in, and relax. And while I have you, make sure you head over to the website. Grab your JH official sunglasses. Remember, we do have the buy two special, so you'll get like 10% off, or you'll get, I know for a fact you'll get free shipping, but all that information can be found over on the website, so do head over and check those out. Make sure you get yours before they're gone, because when they're gone, we might be switching it up a little bit, because they've already sold out once. So that being said, we are gonna head off the ship now. We've got to go down to deck 0, hope that the gangway's not packed, get off in Curacao, and have an amazing adventure. Let's start this day out right. Here's beautiful Curacao. Oh wow! Look at that infinity. It's like an infinity. It's like I think it's a beach pool. Yeah. It's like body of water right here. Yeah. And some of the cruise ships, if they're small enough, they can actually dock in that right there, in that river, up that. Yeah, it's like they like dock right in front of that bridge. Wow. That'd be kind of cool. Look, it looks like there's like a swimming pool here. They're having like a swim meet or something. Somebody just dove in. Oh wow, look at the waves.
8:30.
Okay. There we go. Oh wow, look at this, completely empty. Alright, sorry Facebook. Post later, I guess. Oh, these are steep stairs now. Yeah. Oh, gotta go crew area. Thank you. Yeah. I love the crew here. Oh my God, they're all so nice. So many things to carry. See. So, tip for you guys. Always bring a plastic bag with you. This comes in really, really handy in case it rains, or if you're on a boat, you know, the water can splash up. But I put like a battery backup, my wallet, and our room keys in it. And that way everything stays nice and dry, even if your surroundings get wet, you know? A little tip for you, there you go. If this video were airing on Tuesday, I would call it Tip Tuesday. But my videos don't go up on Tuesday, so it's just gonna be your tip of the day. There you are. Look at that, there is Freedom of the Seas. That's who's with us. And the Carnival sunshine right here. She's so pretty. Just a great view today. Great, beautiful view. Here's like a little market right here in Curacao. So when you first get off the ship, you can come here and get all your, you know, t-shirts and jewelry, shopping, that kind of stuff. All can be done right there off the ship. It's really, really nice, really convenient.
I didn't even notice that it's so still. Wow.
Look at the water up here and everything. See, Peter, this is gorgeous. This is just gorgeous.
Nice.
I'm gonna pick on you for 2.5 seconds. He comes back to the room and he goes, it kind of looks like Freeport out there. I said, what? What do you mean it looks like Freeport? When I was there, I don't even know how many, 8 years ago I think, it did not look like Freeport. And it was just because he saw like, I think you saw the construction, which that up there would remind you of Freeport and everything.
And then there's like a dirt field over there.
Like look at this. Like, isn't this just breathtaking?
Yeah, this is a lot.
This is so Caribbean. Okay, so we'll just take a quick loop around and then come back. Yeah, we'll just look at the shopping a little bit. All right. Dji Curacao. Dji family. Oh, I like that. Look at this. So we just checked in and they basically told us, they said, you know, we have 15 more minutes, so if we want to take a look around, we can. I like them. They're very personable. Very, very personable.
Only $10.
Oh, this. I'm talking about the guides.
Oh.
He's just like, yeah, this is personable. This is very personable.
It seems like we have a very small group. There's like
yeah,
4 of us.
right. So, well, so far, he said there's a couple people missing, so we're still waiting on a couple. But yeah, I really like that. I like that a lot. He was like, oh wow, I like that too. Yeah. I might have to get that. How much is it? I wonder. What does it say? Oh, 18. 18. Yeah, that's a little expensive, but I like that. If I don't sleep, nobody sleeps. Curacao. That's cute. Where? Oh, wow. I have something kind of like that in my room.
Oh, look, they're only 15.
That's cool. I like that.
This would be like $30 back in the States.
Oh, yeah, easily. Yeah. Easily.
These are so cheap over here.
Yeah.
I like it.
There's like magnets and everything. Yeah, so look, Peter. So this bridge, I wish we were here at night. Because this bridge, this is over there, it lights up. There's like a whole nother market just like this.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe we can see a little bit of it later.
Yeah. So much to look at. Oh, here's all your liquor. Wow, check that out. Please ask for a free taste.
Oh look, this is Curacao Blue. This is made here.
Huh. Check that out. Rum, Curacao. Yeah. Very cool, very cool.
That's neat.
Yeah, right. Right. Well, it's not, it's expensive, but it's not like your typical like Caribbean expensive, you know?
Usually the shops right outside the ship are kind of pricey.
Right. Right, well, because it's so convenient, you know, like a t-shirt's like 25, 30 bucks, you know. It's like Disney prices almost. It's like a little storage box. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a domino set.
That's neat.
That is very neat.
Oh, look, they're mini ones.
A mini domino set.
Wow.
Aww. That's cool.
Oh my god, look at this.
And what is this? Is this another one?
Oh, this is a magnet. Wow.
Is this like a puzzle or something? Or... Oh wow! That's cool though. I like the box. I like that a lot.
These are nice.
Yeah, very cool. Oh wow! Look at that.
Ooh!
I love that.
Look at the colors on that. That's so nice. Oh, there's our palm tree.
There's your palm tree.
How's it going, guys? Hello.
Hey there.
How you doing?
How much are these?
The big ones are at $39, small ones are $35, and the on top ones are all at $39. Do have limited edition ones, will be at $40. This one is $59 because it's done with CC.
Whoa, it's like, wow, that's very
this
cool.
one come up. It's all handmade by Shannon Ray. It's a local artist, so not Chinese made.
Wow, that's very neat. Definitely come check this out. Wow, when we're coming back, we're gonna have to stop at this. I might consider that. Look at this though. Oh. Carnival Sunshine 2018, and they have Freedom of the Seas.
Yeah.
Oh, that's neat. So they probably have one for, you know.
Right. Shipping comes here.
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to Curacao. So my name is Benny, and today Gideon is gonna be my co-author. I think I changed it, so I'm sorry about that. We're gonna be visit good part of the island. What are those parts? We're gonna go to the center of town to have a view of downtown. We will go to the west north of the island to have a nice view of the area where the flamingos are. After that, we will go to the north of the island where the cape are. The orange building is Fort Amsterdam. Fort Amsterdam is our government department, so it's basically our version of White House here. Anyone from the United States? Mm-hmm. And you can see, for example, on your left, we have the consular of Colombia. We have some offices of the government. And you will tell me, is nobody living here? Actually, those houses, they become offices. The slave time here starts in the 1499 when Alfonso de Ojeda came to the island.
Oh, there they are.
The bad today. Oh my gosh. They are really in the back. Flamingos can be shy. See. He's gonna go around park here so we can at least try to zoom in to have a view of them.
So over there is the flamingo. Where did they go? Oh, there they are. Wow. I wish one of them would fly over here. Let's see if I can zoom in really tight. Oh yeah, you can see them. So there they are.
Yeah.
Whoa. Look at how far away they are. I wonder if this is fresh water. Well, no, because she said I guess it's all salt water.
Yeah.
Check that out.
Yes, we do have an international airport going on here. On the left, we have the free zone of the island, and then we will see the Coast Guard from Holland. Our airport is also in construction, and you will see the scale from one side and the other one right away. This is the import area of the airport, and then we have the airport itself. The first building is where our aduan is located, offices are located, and this is the old building, of course.
Look at this. This is like a desert out here.
You like that?
Yeah, I've never seen a cactus on an island.
There's cactuses on... Some of the Eastern Caribbean has them.
Really?
St. Martin has them.
I haven't been there.
So we're here at the caves now. It's hot. I can feel myself burning.
To go to the restroom, guys, is the building behind this one. We're going to be meeting one more time here, okay?
Oh,
Okay.
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Have a nice tour.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
He's right here.
He's wanting you to take his picture.
I know it. Hi, buddy. Well, watch out that bee. Okay, so they told us, we're heading in the caves right now. They told us we can't film except one place, right?
Yes.
So I'm imagining
one
that,
chamber.
yeah, one chamber. I'm imagining it's gonna be lit and you guys will be able to see something. So we'll try and get you some photos there. But otherwise, sorry.
A few moments later.
Wow. So this is the spot where we can take pictures. So I'm doing everything legally. Everything is okay. Wow.
This goes up high. Wow, look at that.
Yeah, good idea.
That is cool.
Got it. Yeah, we can take them here. So this was really neat, huh?
Yeah, this
Like you got
this is really cool.
they have it really well lit, and you get to see bats, and Peter didn't like the bats. You get to see bats, and oh look, there's another one. Wow. I wish I would have caught it on camera for you guys. Sorry, I was too mesmerized. It's just a really cool experience.
Yeah, this is neat.
Yeah,
This is
very, very cool. Very, very cool. Look at this. Like, look at that.
at one point.
Like, what Caribbean island? What other Caribbean island? Well, I mean, there's a couple actually. Like Belize, you can do it. But you know,
Yeah.
like we're in Curacao, the Caribbean. You know?
Right,
And this is here. This is awesome. That was cool.
That was really cool.
I enjoyed that. Look at these. The steps aren't going to be as hard going down, I don't think. No, no. Bye-bye. Can you imagine you just started chasing you?
Oh my god.
Guys, who of you drink alcohol? Who of you would like to have an extra stop in the distillery where they make the blue curacao? So guys, we are going today to the distillery Chobolobo that is in the east side of the island. It's in our way. We always have that hiding over there, trying our best to make things on time and of course make that extra stop for you guys. So we're gonna make that stop. I'm gonna explain about the history of the island over there and also about how they prepare the blue curacao.
right?
Yes.
Yeah,
for
this is the extra
blue Curacao.
blue
That's
Curacao.
What they make here. They sell in the United States.
Is that what they're giving free
Yeah,
samples?
it's
of?
like a blue drink.
Huh. Well, there was an unofficial stop. It's,
Yeah, this is our surprise.
surprise. Yeah, our surprise stop here on our tour. I'm loving this tour. This is an amazing tour.
This is great. This is well worth
What's the name of it? Curacao Sightseeing, Caves and Beach. And it's on Shore Excursions Group, right?
Shore Excursion Group.
ShoreExcursionsGroup.com. So definitely head over and check that out. They've got a full back-to-ship guarantee and all that kind of stuff. So definitely go give that a once over.
So bumping into our distillery, we are known by the blue Curacao, and the blue Curacao is made with Laranjal. You see those three? They are from the oranges, the Lavincia oranges. The first time that they came here, they were a really big orange. Here we can see how the bottle have changed through the time. So in the beginning, they have this type of bottle, and they used to use mold, but time become more modern, and now we have it like this. The stipple have changed also through the time to what we have nowadays. If you see this area, is where they put the liquor in the bottle, and if you see behind you, it's a big production that they are putting the step over it to put it in the boxes. This is the factory, guys. No more to look for. Yes. This is the only one, original one, that have a 31% of alcohol. If you see other factories and other production from other places, you're gonna realize that they have a 21% of alcohol. Not here. We like alcohol. Not me, not me. I'm not saying me, but we like alcohol. The color, guys, it's food color. That is the trick. I'm sorry. Yeah, they don't only use the blue, they also use the orange, green, and red to make different type of drink. You know the rainbow? The drink that is like a rainbow? They use this blue Curacao for it. You can rub it in, okay? Just rub it in. Careful with your eyes, remember it's mentholado. Okay.
What is it?
It smells like aftershave. Orange peels, right?
Yeah. What is it? Is that the alcohol?
Yeah, she said that it's made with the Curacao.
So guys,
It's strong.
I can feel it burn.
Yeah, I can feel it in my nose, right?
like this, it feels really fresh.
Yeah.
Wow. This was really nice.
Their bottles are so pretty. Look at
Yeah, that is the Curacao blue. That's very, very pretty.
Yeah.
I can't believe it's all made right here too.
Right, it literally is made here and shipped to the United States right from here.
That's crazy. Look at all those. Wow. Aww. The airplane bottles.
Wow. We could try them all.
That's neat.
That is cool.
So guys, now we are getting close to the area that we have some neighbors that are completely made by the governments. Now I'm gonna be able to show you which one of those houses that the government gave us the benefits to have a long time to pay it and a small amount. If you go on your own, they're gonna be like charging you. I need to let them know. Careful with your hair and this stuff.
All right. Here we go. We're here at the beach. I'm excited. They said they have food, so
Yes.
I'm sold. I'm completely sold. I'm starved.
Next time-
there was no food. It's Mama Hokum and Corey. Like handmade.
This is treacherous, dude.
Not enough time to do everything.
And if they ever break up, their lock's still here.
Boy, we got less than an hour to be back on that ship. Really, really nice. Don't you love Curacao? It is packed out here. That's it. We're going. It was a fun day.